In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add a brim in Bambu Studio Slicer. The first thing that you want to do is to import or get finished with your design, and from there you can simply highlight your design right here, click on the preview option, and from there you then want to navigate through the subcategories. Basically, we have the quality, strength, support right here. In my case, I'm also going to enable the support onto my design. And lastly, you can just navigate through the others option, and then under the bed adhesion, we then have our brim type. You can just apply the brim type the way you want to, but I suggest using the outer brim only. In here, I'm going to put my brim width into 3 millimeters, and from there you can just click on the slice plate once more, and then it will apply the brim that we set right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.